A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L,
What's L for? Cassie, what is L for? Lily!
M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. Just get that. Can you say W?
Why is the one I know?
Can you say W?
Can you say bubble? Double?
Double.
Bubble? Double. W.
Can you say W? Alright, we'll skip that. X. Can you say X? Can you say X? Y. Z.
Yay!
Guess it, what word begins with the letter M?